community, working together, friends through hard times and friends forever. See the bigger picture, the common goal, make this a place we can all call home. Sometimes